Welcome to another Mindful Parenting video on Happy Health Tribe. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every child's well-being: healthy habits. From nutritious meals to heart-pumping playtimes, we're going to explore how we can make these habits not just beneficial, but also a bundle of fun for our little ones. We've got a whole lot of exciting tips and tricks lined up, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to learn fun and easy ways to help your kids form healthy habits. Healthy habits are not only vital for your child's growth and development, but they also play a crucial role in their overall well-being. You see, when children embrace healthy habits early on, it sets the foundation for a lifetime of good health. Firstly, from a physical standpoint, maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise helps to prevent obesity, promotes strong bones and muscles, and boosts the immune system. Secondly, these habits positively impact a child's mental health. Regular physical activity has been linked to improved mood and better concentration. A balanced diet can also support brain development, helping kids perform better in school. Furthermore, cultivating healthy habits at a young age fosters discipline and responsibility. Children learn the importance of making good choices and taking care of their bodies. This sense of responsibility can translate into other areas of their lives, such as schoolwork and personal relationships. All these benefits are backed by a wealth of research from reputable sources. With these benefits in mind, let's explore some fun and easy ways to promote healthy habits in kids. Healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. It can be fun and enjoyable. Making food fun is one of the best ways to encourage healthy eating habits. Think outside the box and turn mealtimes into a creative activity. Why not try using colorful vegetables to create a rainbow on your child's plate, or cutting fruits into fun shapes? Involving kids in meal preparation is another fantastic way to promote healthy eating. Let them choose a new fruit or vegetable to try each week, or give them a role in cooking dinner. This not only provides an opportunity to discuss the importance of different food groups, but also gives them a sense of ownership and accomplishment, making them more likely to eat what they've helped prepare. Finally, consider making healthy swaps in their diet. Instead of sugary cereals, opt for whole grain options. Swap sodas for water infused with fresh fruit. Small changes can have a big impact. Remember, the goal is to make healthy eating fun and enjoyable, not a chore. Physical activity is an essential part of a child's life. It helps them stay fit, active, and healthy. But we all know, getting kids to move can sometimes be a challenge. So how can you make physical activity fun and not feel like a chore? Well, one great way is to get the whole family involved in outdoor activities. This could be anything from a leisurely bike ride around the park to a competitive game of soccer in the backyard. These activities not only promote physical fitness, but also foster family bonding and create beautiful memories. Another fun idea is to host a dance party right at home. Kids love moving to the rhythm, and it's a fantastic way to get their hearts pumping. Plus, it's a lot of fun for adults too. Indoor games that require movement can also be a hit. Think of classic games like Simon Says or musical chairs. These games not only encourage movement, but also enhance cognitive skills. Physical activity should be a fun part of your child's daily routine, not a task. So there you have it, fun and easy ways to promote healthy habits in kids. We've explored the importance of these habits, talked about encouraging nutritious eating in exciting ways, and shared tips on how to make physical activity a joy, not a chore. The next step is up to you. Start implementing these strategies today and help your kids form a foundation of health that will last a lifetime. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to Happy Health Tribe for more mindful parenting videos. Stay healthy.